Fat. Oh, he cut you off.
You're gonna cheat.
Oh, crap. Oh, you okay, monkey? Oh,
You alright?
Be careful, be careful. Alright, keep running.
His jaw hit my foot.
I know. Go that way. Woo! You're too slow. He shouldn't be able to keep up with you.
Go the other way, Crosby.
You will never destroy me.
Oh, he went through. You went that way?
You go the whole length of yours, honey. Go all the way. Bless you.
I need a chill pill. I need a what pill?
A chill pill.
Wait, that way. Okay.
He's done.
Yeah, he's done. Wait, Andre. That's hard.
Good.
Crosby, he's too tired.
Run. Oh,
He sounds like a...
Well, we gave him a bath, Catherine. He looks like a hairless cat, and Aiden kept going, is he gonna look cute again? Is he gonna look fucking cute?
He said that about 4 times.
He was so worried that he would never fluff up again.
No, that's what Jack... Oh, yeah, he got Jasper in the bathtub that he said Jasper was inside. It's like a fur all underneath. So when he stuck his paw in, all the water turned
brown.
Crosby's not that bad in the bath.
He liked it. Well, it was his first time.
Except he looks like he has claws.